Please sit upright on your chair in a comfortable position, and if you'd like to, gently close your eyes. Draw your attention to your mind and observe your thoughts. If you like, describe what you're thinking to yourself. Now, release this thought and be open to any others that may surface next. Draw your awareness to your feelings. What are you feeling right now? Maybe joy, anger, serenity perhaps, or boredom. Whatever feeling comes up, you can silently name it, release it, and see which feeling surfaces next. Be fully present with your feelings. Your attention moves to your body. How does your body feel right now? Is it perhaps tense or relaxed? Tired or refreshed? Can you feel your body's contact to your seat? The contact of your feet to the ground? Try to be fully aware of every single body sensation. Accept it and release it. Draw your attention to your belly. Perhaps you can feel how it rises and sinks with your breath. Don't change your breath, just experience it. Be aware of every single breath. Now extend your attention to feel your body alongside your breath. Notice how you sit and how you breathe. Just sit and breathe. Be fully aware of your body and your breath. Now let go of your body and your breath. Gently open your eyes if they are closed and reunite yourself with the outside world.